Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am back with another video and it's our April niche ideas series. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos from January, February, and March, and I'm super excited to continue this niche research. So again, like I said, I'm just going to choose 3 random niches that you can choose to create for in a certain month. This month we'll be focusing on April. So I have 3 names that I'm putting in the wheel of names. I'll be doing a t-shirt design, a journal design, and an interior design. So let's go ahead and go to our wheel of names. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So we have Peanut Butter Jelly Day, we have Cinco de Mayo, and we have Unicorn Day. So we're gonna go ahead and click to spin and see which victim are we gonna go for first. Of course. Oh no, it's Unicorn Day. Oh, so this one should be fun. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do an interior for Unicorn Day. So I'm just gonna go over here to my Canva and I'm gonna choose 6 by 9.25. And let's see what can we come up with. I think this one should be simple. Actually, maybe we can do, let's see what we have in our elements. Maybe we can do a coloring page, unicorn. So this, bam, too easy. Look at that. Unicorn Day, we can do a unicorn coloring page. Let's see if we can add anything else on here. That would be fun. So we have a little rainbow. Can add these to the page. Oh, where did it go? Can add that here. Possibly add another one down below. I'm going to hit see all. Look at all the unicorns. There's a castle. So this was definitely a good choice to do the unicorn. So you add the little castle there. You can actually keep going. See, this one is not really thick, so I think I would do the rainbow twice. So that that castle wasn't thick enough in my opinion. So we're gonna add a page and we're gonna add this castle. And what else can we? Maybe not the castle. Let's see. I'm so indecisive right now. There's another little unicorn here. And this unicorn fits the whole page. So super easy coloring book that can be made for Unicorn Day using some of the elements from Canva. Another one that looks like it'll fill up the whole page. There we go. So we got a unicorn coloring page. So I'm just gonna put that up here, unicorn coloring page. And then we're gonna go to Amazon and we're gonna see, I'm sure they have tons. I'm sure there's tons of unicorn coloring books. So unicorn, but let's use the word Unicorn Day coloring books and see if it makes a difference by using that keyword. So it says 10,000. I'm gonna go search in books and hit search again. It's probably still a lot, still 10,000. So your unicorn is gonna have to be super unique. Okay, so maybe let's see, Easter, even though this is April, Easter is in April, so let's do an Easter unicorn. Easter Unicorn Day coloring book yields 635 search results. So yeah, so make some Easter unicorn bunnies. So let's do, because you know you can mash them up, bunny unicorn coloring books. They might have some bunny and unicorns together on Redbubble. So it's like 629 search results for that. So that's how you're gonna have to go and be unique in that, with that niche. So let's look up bunny and unicorn on Redbubble. So here's a bunny unicorn. So it is possible, 4,000 search results. So there are some bunny unicorns out there. It's probably some fox unicorns. So again, that is a thing. So you guys can get on that. Here's a flamingo with bunny ears for Easter. So this is the perfect way for you to get where you need to be by merging up things. So again, we just did our April niche research, and we did Unicorn Day. We did some unicorn interiors for a coloring book, and then we searched how we can mash this huge niche up to find something that is a little bit smaller, and that is adding a bunny and a unicorn together to create something different to still be able to compete in this niche. And I hope you guys stay tuned to the next 2 videos in the April niche series, and leave a comment down below. Have you designed in it once you learn about it? Have these videos been helpful? Let me know so I can make sure I provide more content that you guys love and enjoy. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.